Hospital Wing is a nonprofit air medical service. We've been in business for going on 35 years now, and we represent a consortium of hospitals, of approximately about 30 hospitals.
Our mission here at Hospital Wing is to do inter-facility transfers, hospitals, etc. We also have scene flights, scene trauma, scene medical flights that we also participate on as well.
You just want to do the best for the patient. We kind of have 3 rules. Keep it simple, stick to the basics, pay attention to detail.
In the critical, life-saving daily operations that we conduct on a day-to-day basis, the choice of aircraft that we use is very critical. It needs to be highly reliable, so we spend a lot of time analyzing the aircraft that we're going to use.
The H130 T2 is a very powerful machine. I feel very comfortable going in tight locations.
So the EC130 T2s and B4s provide for a very stable platform so our crews can actually work on a patient in ease and comfort. It also provides for a very smooth platform when landing and transporting our patients to and from the hospitals.
We have formerly flown in the A-Star. We loved it, but now that we've got the 130, we have a lot more accessibility to the patient. We fly nurse paramedic. It allows both the medic and the nurse to have equal access to the patient, head to toe. Probably one of the best things we do like is the space, but being able to see, you've got 3 sets of eyes that you can look out. You've got much more visibility, and the crews really do like it a whole lot better.
Our operations here require us to operate in several different types of environment. We have all the seasons, spring, summer, winter, and fall. Wintertime months we get a lot more of the rain, the snow, the ice mix. But we also operate in very confined areas. A lot of times we're called to a scene that may be on a roadway, maybe in the trees or the woods. So we have to maneuver the helicopter. The helicopter is very maneuverable and allows us to get into those locations where we wouldn't be able to land.
With us operating the 130s, we're able to meet our scheduled deadlines for our maintenance. So we don't have to worry about pulling the aircraft out of service without making our scheduled maintenance inspections. So for us, that's a huge plus for us. We're able to get the aircraft where we need it to be, and we're able to maintain them safely and do them all at the one time.
This really fits our mold very well. It allows us to be in service longer, very low cost to operate, very high reliability, and then the aircraft has lots of safety features that make it very desirable for us. We've been working with Airbus helicopters now for well over 20 years. We've operated them exclusively now for probably about 26 or 27 years. We operate 8 Airbus helicopters, mostly the H130 line.
Airbus helicopters is great for us. They do excellent customer support for us. I can always count on them in the middle of the night if I need a question answered, and I'm able to reach out to my tech rep. The leadership there has been good for us. If I need answers to questions, I can count on Airbus helicopters.
The economics of the aircraft for us are excellent. They do very well on maintenance, very low cost to operate, very high reliability. The economics allow us to stay viable in a very tough industry to be in. The aircraft and the partnership with Airbus has worked very well to allow us to do that.